everyone, I have some terrible, terrible news. Reality A has been invaded by armies. Multiple armies. We're bringing Warhammer to our store, and I'm really excited to tell everyone about it. We have everything from Warhammer 40k to Age of Sigmar, and all of the paints to get your armies nice and customized in the exact colors you want them. If there's anything you're looking for and it don't happen to be on our shelves, just let any member of staff know, and we'll be happy to order the exact kit you're looking for and anything else you might need. We're also going to be doing pre-orders as they become available, so let us know if you're looking for anything, and we'll be happy to help you out. Me, personally, I'm looking forward to some of the Space Nuns. You gotta love some Space Nuns. And of course, in Age of Sigmar, I am looking forward to vampires, every single vampire clan. There are many, many more besides that, so come check us out, let us know what you're looking for, and we'll be happy to help you out. Join our army!